Every time I'm with you, girl, you make me Everybody sees it too. Thought our love was true. Now you're leaving my heart out. Left me high and dry. Thought we'd make this thing work, but you didn't try.
With unparalleled panoramic views, a $1 million remodel, and a private lot over half an acre, this property offers a lifestyle beyond compare. I want to show you one Panorama Crest, an iconic home in the elite guard-gated community of the Ridges.
Take a look at this stunning Santa Barbara style interior. Everything here was updated in 2022. The floor plan, the cabinets, the countertops, and so much more.
Whether you're enjoying a drink in the great room, which features a sleek bar and LG signature wine refrigerator, or lounging fireside in the family room, this view is always yours to enjoy.
Left me high and dry. Thought we'd make this thing work, but you didn't try.
A lot of thought went into this remodeled kitchen. From the cabinetry and solid granite sink to the Viking and Sub-Zero appliances.
Your own slice of Spain awaits in the 1,000 square foot courtyard with copper tile imported from Seville, a central fountain, and a fireplace lounge.
This backyard is where the view really shines. From here, you can see the strip, the mountains, 3 fairways, and even the driving range. Just imagine entertaining at the generous outdoor kitchen, relaxing on the covered patio, and who doesn't love an infinity edge pool?
Every time I'm with you, girl, you make me Everybody sees it too. Thought our love was true.
Unwind in the owner's suite, which includes an attached office with an integrated partner desk. The spa-like bathroom includes dual closets with full built-ins, separate vanities, a jacuzzi bathtub, and an oversized rainfall shower. 3 additional ensuite bedrooms complete this home, plus an air-conditioned fitness room. And with Control 4 home automation, multi-zone audio, Lutron lighting, and remotely controlled thermostats, setting the mood is an effortless experience. Residents of the Ridges enjoy guard-gated security and exclusive access to the 9,000 square foot private club Ridges, which includes a state-of-the-art fitness center, multi-depth swimming pool, year-round heated lap pool, and multiple tennis courts. Plus, you're just minutes away from fantastic shopping, dining, and entertainment options at downtown Summerlin, Las Vegas Ballpark, and City National Arena.
Thought we'd make this thing work, but you didn't try.
If you want to see this one-of-a-kind property in person, contact us to schedule your private tour of One Panorama Crest today.